All right, so what do we have going on in Brain Fresh this month? We have a membership deal, okay? So join us. We are having a productivity focused month. We're having masterminds, we have courses, we have time management courses, and of course it's my birthday month. So that's why we're gonna have a big celebration in there and just learn and make it real, right? Like learn and practice, because we can read in a book what to do, but unless we make it our habits and make it our true practices that we do, it won't be laid down in our long-term memory, right? So we know that that is what long-term potentiation is. That's what learning is that we can read about it and learn about it, but we actually have to do it, right? So we can do that together. We do this in my monthly membership. If you click on the link below, check it out, hit enroll in the course. Every month you'll have access to productivity time management gems, right? There are courses, there are video lessons, handouts, audio lessons. So jump in and use it when you want. And then we'll also have group coaching. And we'll have group coaching once a week. And then there's an option for one-on-one coaching. So I would love to get to know you, work with you one-on-one as well on productivity, time management, possibilities. I really love, digging down into the neuroscience settings of helping us feel more creative, to see more possibilities professionally, right? So that's what, once we know exactly like how to help the brain work better, more efficiently, more effectively, how to work with it, right? So a lot of times we hear the brain lies, the brain tells you stories, the brain's this, but what if we also learned how to use it, to our professional ability, so that we build our well-being, build our foundations, and figure out nine-step framework so we can keep building our productivity, time management, and it makes life so much more clear, so we know exactly what to do, what to say no to, what to focus on. Feels great. So we're after peace of mind is what we're after in Brain Fresh as a busy professional. And that is possible by, using this 9-step framework. I like to call it priming the brain, get it ready to see the possibilities, aligning with your gifts and strengths, and then designing a career pathway that is almost like a good trip. Where do you want to get to? And then what's it going to take to get you there? What resources do we need, right? You got this, guys. So I'll see you on the inside. Just click below and enter the course. I'll see you on the inside.